Pop quiz time! What coffee maker brews the hottest cup of joe? Drum roll, please. It's the automatic drip coffee maker. Yes, you heard right. This everyday kitchen gadget heats water to a sizzling 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the ideal range for extracting those rich, robust flavors we coffee lovers crave. Think about it. The automatic drip coffee maker is a marvel of modern engineering, delivering a piping hot cup of liquid gold every time. And the secret? Its internal thermostat. It ensures the water reaches the perfect brewing temperature. So the next time you're savoring that steaming cup of morning magic, give a nod to your trusty automatic drip coffee maker. It's the unsung hero behind your hottest, most flavorful brew.